The following message is brought to you by Man Up JA, sponsored by Live Well Jamaica. 30% of children in Jamaica were born to unregistered fathers. 6,749 were born to unmarried mothers. Who do you want to be? The problem, the reason, or the solution? When you make that big step to be a part of your child's life, you're making a conscious decision to be a role model. When you decide to be her husband, you're making a conscious decision to be the head of a household. Leaders, listen. Be a leader. Men are responsible. Be the man. Bosses build dreams. Be the boss. You're capable of much more than your eyes can see. So make the step. Put an S on your chest. Heroes are you. Man up, JA. Remember, mindset is the key to success. Your only limit is yourself.